My hair looks crazy. My hair looks crazy, Kilo. Why you let me walk out the house like that? All right, guys. We are going to a huge food war festival. And this is like huge for our town because they estimated like 30,000 people to come here. So it's pretty cool.
And it is for a good cause because you have to do the donations with the cans and stuff.
Oh, yeah. In order to get in, you got to donate some food. So they're doing this food war for the homeless, for the food pantries.
For a good cause. See that?
This is really cool.
Bring some money.
Look how many people are walking. So we are in like Flynn. It is packed.
So when you eat, you vote. So here we got 2 votes.
Okay.
So we could be in charge.
Hey, what about you? Oh, George got his.
George has 3 votes, so we can try 5 spots. If we like them.
Oh, it's right there. No. What is that? I think that is it. To the votes. Okay. So I guess what we have to do is go just try stuff, and if we think it's good, then we put in our vote, which is pretty cool. Wow, look.
Out here. I don't know where I'm going if you're lying.
We're just walking around, I guess. Where's George?
I don't know where George went either.
I mean, how can we lose him? He's huge.
Right here.
Where were you?
Over there looking at the t-shirts.
So we'll walk around, I guess.
Another one of these? Or are you trying your first one? What is that? Oh, a mango. Are you putting it spicy? I'm about to get. Ow. What? Where are you going? Donuts. Cigars? You want a cigar, Georgie? Trying to get a cigar? Oh, the choices though. Everybody sitting down eating. Oh, chicken loaded fries. Yeah, I like me some loaded fries, but we got a lot of trucks to look through. Donuts.
Never trust a donut when it says Dude's Donuts. Makes you kind of wonder how they get the circle in the middle.
Of course, it would be Kilo.
Can't buy no Dude's Donuts.
Oh, they got a rock climbing wall. Remember that? Remember the kids? Churros. It's okay. I don't see no Spanish truck yet. How come they don't have a Spanish truck?
Yeah.
Like.
Yeah, like Boricua food.
Yeah. They got a bouncy house for you. Roast beef. Prime roast beef there. Waffle fries.
Waffle fries in.
Boneless wings.
Boneless hot wings.
What are you gonna try?
I don't know yet. I didn't see nothing yet.
No?
Nah.
You don't know? I like that. I really want to taste something. I really want to try something that I could say, now this is good. You know what I'm saying?
Crispy milk, right?
I can't eat lobster.
What's the military selling over there? Food? Yeah, food.
No.
Yeah, they got a food truck right there. It's right there, the portable food truck.
They're not selling no food. That's just a 1-800-ARMY.
No, they got a food station inside.
I don't believe you. He's going to come back and tell me there is none. It's all right, George. I believe you. I believe you, George. George, I believe you now. I believe you. I don't want any food from the Army.
That's what we ate from the other day.
Yep, on the flip side. And they were okay.
They were okay.
What, you want another Bruce Lee?
What's this?
Huh?
Oh, Dad's cannolis. No, I don't want no Bruce Lee. Oh, a steak sundae kilo. That looks cool. Here's a Spanish spot. De Puerto Rico. Rice don't look good.
Nah, that rice don't.
Chicken kebab.
That penne looks good.
Huh? I just want to see what's here
Look,
first.
there's that place. Look. You might like that place. Steak bomb, steak sundae, steak and fries. Oh, I thought you were dancing, George. You look like you were dancing for a second. This looks good though.
Nice. Snow cones.
Yep. Yeah.
If you can enter and exit, so you can actually go in there if you want.
Let's go. Come on, George. Let's go look at it. So we were just looking at RVs. Let's look at this RV. Unlimited RV. I bet you they have all different kinds. You ready? Here we go. Wow. What's that?
We're having open house next weekend.
Yep.
Oh, okay. You have
I was curious to see
do
what
you
it
have
looks
new
like
and
in boxes.
used, or they're all new?
We have some used, some new. We take in consignments, so every once in a while we'll get some.
You
new
get something
used
like a
in.
trade-in.
Yeah.
And where are you guys located?
Prospect. Here, I'll give you one too.
Yeah. Okay.
Not too far from here.
You're in a Prospect
Less than
Road.
10 minutes. Yeah.
Is that a room? Can I see what the room look like?
Yeah, that's the main bedroom. And then
bedroom.
there's
Let's go see the main bedroom.
over there, and then there's another bathroom in the back.
There's 2 bathrooms in here. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go look in the bathroom. Wow. Look at this. Hi, guys. That RV life, George.
Yeah, the bedroom.
Wow, look at that. Wait, can you stand up? You're good.
Yeah, I'm good. This doorway's a little short. The first doorway.
Oh, this is how much? How much does this go for? This
Brand new, yes.
brand new, 120,000.
Look at the fireplace.
Can you put it on layaway?
Good well. That's good. Look at the fireplace and everything.
Wow, look at
It's
that.
fancy.
Oh, that was you just on the TV.
That was me.
Hey,
Open house next weekend.
this is cool. 120,000, like a house.
Yeah, it's actually very
But you can park it anywhere.
True. Well, not really anywhere, but wow, it got like a freaking porch. The garage.
I wouldn't bring bikes in.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it goes down so you can bring quads and bikes in, strap them down.
That's awesome.
Or you can use it
You have
as another.
bed here that comes down from the ceiling.
Oh
It just turns
wow.
into a bed. So you can sleep 4 adults. You got a half bath here.
Let's see here.
Wow.
This is a small little house. Look at the tiny little sink.
The loft here for 2 adults, and you can access the main slider.
Wow.
Wait, where? What?
Loft.
Right here?
Ladder for this and
Oh.
Yeah, this is
Hi, sorry, there's a loft up there.
That's VA.
Built-in speakers in the ceiling.
yeah.
That's awesome.
That's nice. 2 AC units. Built-in generators, got a 5,000 watt Yamaha generator built in.
Oh, damn. So you don't even have to worry
You
about
go off
solar.
grid.
So what can you pull this? Like,
3,500 pickup.
loaded tater tot heaven. It's like they have a lot of the same stuff.
Well, we got 5 volts.
Oh shit, you know it, you know. I remember.
So we can always. I don't know yet. I'm trying to figure that out.
Yep, that's our DJ, bro. You gotta get him.
You don't want a drink? She just said she want a drink.
I will.
Okay, sorry. Let's go get a drink.
I will. You were broken hearted.
I don't want to drink.
It's raining. Don't you know I'm the one and I love you, girl. Oh yeah. We're gonna find all the freestyle heads right now. It's good.
It's cool. Look, it says gotcha. It says chillwiches for the sandwiches.
Where?
Chillwiches with the blue chip creamery cup.
Oh yeah. Chillwiches, the
One.
ice cream.
Alright, like sandwiches.
Got that
Oh, the
big
chillwiches.
chicken.
Yeah.
Remember on the live, guys?
Yeah.
Tequila was just
It's not just
flopping,
a rumor.
flopping his big schlong everywhere.
Denying
His imaginary
status.
schlong. This guy's feeling it, feeling this song. Oh, we missed it. Oh, no.
Nice, got Mariah Carey.
So everybody's like, a really good vibe.
Yeah, that's good, man. That's how it should be. Hopefully not one fight, just a good experience. Like I said, it's good for the community in all ways, bringing us together, having us eat all this great food, and then with the donations of the fans. So, like, we care about everybody.
This pina colada, by the way.
It's going down.
Big energy. Inside. Hold on. They got like an inside little thing. Oh, Funny Guy Productions.
It's a comedian.
You want to? Want to do that?
Yeah.
All right. I guess we're getting our picture drawn.
Awesome.
Kilo didn't want to get anything from the place. He's real picky with his food. And I got Parmesan bites, chicken Parmesan bites, but they really weren't that good. So I ate 2 of them and then I gave the rest to Georgie. And so now we're here and we're getting, I think Kilo's getting steak and cheese. I should have got a steak and cheese. I got a BLT instead. Fuck. Steak and cheese was good. Anyway, I got a BLT with some cheese fries. Hopefully they're good. And that's gonna be dinner. And then I'm gonna go home and relax because if you don't know, last night we were on live.
This is Billie Jean. This is Kilo's favorite shit.
More like a beauty queen from across the sea. I said your mama would do you me. I am the one. Whole dance on the floor and around that whole dance.
She danced.
People always told me, don't care for what you say.
Well, they're getting a show tonight.
No, I don't have my pocketbook. So, yeah. That was our day, guys. I cannot believe how many people came. They wasn't lying. There was at least 30,000 people. I mean, these trucks, I guess, came from all over. Pretty pricey. Like those balls. You got 5 of those ball things. I didn't even take a picture. 5 of those ball things, and they were like $12. So it was expensive.
Yeah, we knew it would be expensive over there.
Yeah. Oh my
But the
God, guys.
problem
Guys,
was
let me
that
see that picture. Guys, okay, so you saw, actually you guys probably saw it before I did. You guys saw it as, I want to see it again though. Just because. Oh my God.
Got my back. You see that?
Look at our mouth though.
So accurate.
Look. Nothing about it is accurate except for my lashes, bruh. My lashes were accurate.
Bro, look at your tattoo, bro. That's accurate.
What the hell? I don't understand. So the guy said, thanks, George. The guy said he's been doing it for 7 years.
No, thank you.
For 7 years, okay? But I guess, you know, the other guy was doing his more practical, like what we remember a character looking like. This guy, we kind of just sat down and we assumed that he was going to do it like that. But I guess everybody has their own style. They should have put up like his work. Yeah. Because then we would have definitely waited for the other guy. But hey, it was an experience and it's us.
It's us.
Wait, you just gotta get a frame.
I don't even want a frame. But I'm going to get a frame. Because that junk costed... That junk costed, yeah, give it to Angie. That junk costed $40, guys. Kilo said that was the quickest $40 he ever made in his whole life.
Bro, I want his job. All you do is draw people not even accurate.
And
Kilo,
Kilo,
make
no,
top dollar.
the lady next to him who was working had asked, I don't know if George got it on camera, but she had asked, has anybody ever gotten mad at the outcome of the pictures? And he said when he first started, man, I can imagine.
Guess what I should have done? That shit don't look nothing like me. I am not paying. That's how you get it for free. You know what I'm saying? That's what I should have did.
Nah, but he did take his time on it.
I appreciate it.
But yeah, it did. I don't understand, but
We got
whatever.
to sit down and hug each other for a good 5
Yeah. But anyway, that was funny. But yeah, so that's the end of this little vlog, and we're gonna eat, go back, and relax. Oh, George, Kilo unplugged my PlayStation, so.
No, I didn't yet.
Oh, I was gonna say no more Modern Warfare for us.
They can still be Modern Warfare for y'all. Why y'all need the big TV? Y'all don't need the big TV. Y'all can play Modern Warfare on your TV in your room. See how that works? Your PlayStation.
How can I
in your
play
room.
2 people on my PlayStation? I mean, on my phone. I mean, on my TV. It's so small. How do you see split screen?
I had to deal with it. Why can't you?
Why'd you do that though? Why'd you make me get the luxury of doing it on the
I
big
didn't want to give you the luxury.
screen
I did
and then
not
you
want
take
to
it away
use
from me
that.
like that?
But I did it. It's still there, babe. It really is. My PlayStation, I took away my luxury to give you the luxury. how good of a man I am.
I don't play it all the time.
That shows you how fucked up you are. I play my PlayStation all the time.
So then play it. Just unplug it and then, oh, okay, whatever. Bye, guys. Love you. Until the next video, I will catch you on the flip side.